Whoop. Here it is, guys, another unboxing and review. I've already slashed the pouch. This is the ULANZI GP4 GoPro quick install magnetic adapter. See if the camera will focus. So let's open this, guys. So here it is, guys. It's open. It has 1, 2, 3, and 4 pieces, and I already can tell the magnet. It's magnetic, guys, too. 4 pieces. So let's mount it using this necklace. So guys, we're gonna try the ULANZI GP4. We're gonna try mounting it here in this necklace. If you have the proper adapters, can also mount here smartphones. So let's try it out. First things first, this piece. Okay. Oh, it fits perfectly. So let's screw it tightly here. I'm always saying the word here. Screw it tightly. Securely tightly. Okay, and then you can already combine it with this magnet. So guys, we won't use this time because it's only for a 1/4 screw mount. This time we don't have it, so we will not use this. Let's keep it somewhere else. Then we're gonna try mounting a smartphone just like the one I'm using right now. So see you guys later. So guys, we were gonna try mounting this smartphone using this adapter, and by combining it with this mount. Oh, it fell, guys. Wait, I'll just pick it up. So first things first, we're gonna remove this, and then okay, it fits perfectly also. It's compatible. Okay, and then gonna screw it again, find the hole. Okay guys, let me focus first. Yeah. Okay, screw it like that, screw it that very fast, just like a time-lapse mode. Okay, and then screw it tightly and securely, and then let's insert this phone right here. Center the phone for the balance. Okay, right here. Then wear the necklace with the ULANZI mount, and let's bolt in. It's magnetic, guys. How to twist it? Oh, it's the other way around. Okay, are you familiar with that soundtrack that I just sang? Okay guys, that's it. Already have the first person view. And then if you want to take a selfie or you want to remove your phone, it's very fast and easy. Just twist it right here and then pop it like that. And voila. Your phone and you want to put it again, pop it like that and twist it like here. That's it guys. Simple and easy and very straightforward. I can finally use this while I'm riding my bike, and if I want to have selfies, I'll just twist it and pop it like that, and then voila, can have my selfie here. So what's up, buyboytv here. Just like that guys. And then pop it again and twist it that. So ULANZI GP4 mount, buyboytv approves. I recommend it. 10 out of 10 stars. So thank you for watching guys, buyboytv unboxing and reviews. Bye bye.